A visit visa to work permit country refers to countries where foreign nationals can initially enter on a visit or tourist visa, and later transition or change their status to a work permit or work visa. This process allows individuals to secure employment while on a visit visa and then legally work in the country, provided they meet certain conditions, such as obtaining a job offer and employer sponsorship. Here's a detailed list of 10 countries that allow the transition from a visit visa to a work permit, along with a brief overview of each. At number 10, we have Qatar. Qatar allows individuals on tourist visas to switch to a work visa if they are offered employment and their employer sponsors the process. The employer is responsible for handling all the necessary paperwork, including obtaining approval from the Ministry of Labor. Work visas in Qatar are typically issued for 1 to 2 years and are renewable. The country's booming construction and infrastructure sectors, along with its demand for skilled workers in healthcare, technology, and engineering, create plenty of job opportunities. The work visa offers legal residency, and the sponsorship system ensures job stability during the employment period. At number 9, we have Malaysia. Malaysia permits visitors to transition into a work permit if they obtain a job offer while in the country. The process requires an employer to sponsor the application, and you must meet the qualifications for the specific job role. Work permits in Malaysia are tied to the employer, meaning that you cannot change employers without going through a new application process. The work visa typically lasts 1 to 2 years and can be renewed. Malaysia is a popular destination for workers in industries such as IT, education, and manufacturing, with opportunities for both skilled and semi-skilled professionals. Number 8, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia allows foreign nationals to switch from a tourist visa to a work visa after securing employment. Employers in Saudi Arabia must act as sponsors and apply for the necessary permits and documentation. Once approved, workers can stay for up to 2 years, depending on the terms of the employment contract. The kingdom is looking for workers in various sectors, especially in healthcare, engineering, and construction, making it an appealing destination for skilled labor. The country's growing economy and demand for foreign workers mean that opportunities exist for professionals seeking long-term positions. Number 7, Germany. Germany provides pathways for visitors to transition into work if they obtain a job offer while in the country. The job must meet certain requirements, including being in a high-demand field like healthcare or IT. Generally, visitors can apply for a work visa through the local immigration office, but it's important to have a job offer from a recognized employer. The Blue Card program is particularly beneficial for skilled workers in sectors that require higher qualifications. Work permits in Germany typically last for up to 4 years and can be renewed, offering a stable option for long-term employment in the country. At number 6, we have Singapore. Singapore allows visitors to apply for a work pass after securing employment in the country. The employment pass is the most common work pass for professionals and requires meeting a minimum salary threshold. Once an employer sponsors the work pass application, the transition from a visitor pass to a work pass can be completed. The process is usually straightforward, and approval is typically granted for 1 to 2 years, with the possibility of extension. Singapore is a hub for finance, technology, and engineering professionals, offering ample opportunities for skilled foreign workers. At number 5, we have New Zealand. Here visitors can apply for a work visa if they secure a job while in the country. However, they need a job offer from an employer who can demonstrate that the position could not be filled by a local worker. The work visa typically lasts for 1 to 3 years and is tied to the specific employer and job role. New Zealand's immigration system offers several visa options, including the Essential Skills Work Visa and the Skilled Migrant category, for individuals with the right qualifications and work experience. Once in New Zealand, workers can also explore pathways to residency, making it an attractive option for long-term relocation. At number 4, we have United Kingdom. The UK typically does not allow visitors to directly switch to a work visa while in the country, but certain exceptions exist. If you are on a visitor visa, you generally need to leave the UK to apply for a work visa, though the skilled worker visa may allow for in-country applications under certain circumstances. To qualify, you must have a job offer from a licensed sponsor who can issue a certificate of sponsorship. The UK has a variety of work visas depending on the occupation, such as the Global Talent Visa and Health and Care Worker Visa. These visas offer work opportunities in sectors like IT, engineering, healthcare, and research. Number 3 is Australia. Australia allows individuals on a visit visa to apply for a work visa, such as the Temporary Skills Shortage Visa. If they secure a job, the employer is responsible for sponsoring the applicant's work visa, and the individual may need to leave the country to finalize the process, depending on the situation. Australia has a points-based immigration system, and applicants must meet skill and salary requirements to qualify for certain work visas. Additionally, some work visas offer a pathway to permanent residency, especially for skilled workers in high-demand industries like IT, healthcare, and engineering. The country's work visa policies encourage foreign talent to fill labor gaps in the Australian economy. At number 2, we have Canada. Canada permits visitors to apply for a work permit once they secure a job offer from a Canadian employer. The employer may need to obtain a labor market impact assessment to prove that the foreign worker is necessary for the job. Visitors can apply for a work visa from within Canada, although in some cases, they may need to leave the country to complete the application process. Canada's immigration system favors skilled workers, and individuals in sectors such as technology, healthcare, and skilled trades are highly sought after. Number 1. The UAE allows visitors to transition from a visit visa to a work visa once they secure employment. After finding a job, the employer must sponsor the work visa and residency permit, which allows the individual to live and work in the country legally. The process typically involves the visitor leaving the UAE to complete the necessary paperwork, but there are cases where it can be done within the country. The UAE offers various work visa types, including the Green Visa, Employment Visa, and Freelance Visa for specific sectors. The country is a popular destination for skilled professionals, especially in sectors like technology, finance, and engineering.